Hey, Nickie Brown here, no matter where you are and what part of the world you're in. I hope that you're having a good day. So, it's really amazing to me. We have a new store called Eden Fresh Market, right? But when you go on a website, it's still a Wayfield food store. But they have upgraded, changed the name, added new products, so they do have more like organic products and better produce. Upgraded the store, hired some new employees. I saw at least one or two employees who worked there before. I don't know if they had to reapply or if they were able to just kind of transfer over. But now it's like a completely different set of customers. And maybe not completely, but completely new set of customers. So customers that you probably wouldn't have seen in there before are now shopping here because it's called the Eden Fresh Market, and they do have a better selection. And they do have better produce. So again, there are people who probably would have went somewhere else to shop who now feel comfortable going to Eden Fresh Market to shop. And the parking lot is more full. So it's amazing how some upgrades and a name change can really improve the revenue that a business earns. And sometimes, that's what needs to be done. You have to spend the money to make some changes to make some money and get a completely new clientele. And maybe even again hire some new employees. I don't know if it's under new management in terms of did the old managers, are they still there? I don't know, if the store changed hands in terms of ownership. It doesn't seem like that though. It just seems like they put some money into it, upgraded it, changed the name to their sister company, because that's just like Trader Joe's and Aldi's. That's the same supermarket franchise. What's the other one? Walmart and Sam's Club. It's the same. So all they did is change the name, but it's still again the same Wayfield brand, or at least store, franchise, with just a different name change. And it's amazing what it's a simple change, but it wasn't a simple change. They closed for like a month or two in order to make these upgrades. So sometimes this is a lesson for myself and other people who have businesses. Sometimes we need to shut down or go on isolation, or go on hermit mode, whatever you want to call it,